Hello everyone, welcome to Zexus development. In this video, we are going to install a utility safe by MXC scripts into our FiveM server. So without any further ado, let's get to the installation process. So this is the script which you are going to install into FiveM server. I'll put the link in the description below. When you click over here, you can see the preview video of the script. To purchase the script, you just to click over here. On your purchase, make sure to use coupon code Zexus coupon to get discount on your purchase. After that, click over here and get the script into your SafeX portal and download the script. After downloading it, we have to extract the file into our FiveM resource folder. So I'll be extracting it over here. Just like this. Now open the file. Now here we have to run the SQL of the script. For that, just double click over here. Open your head SQL. Select your server, then click on run. Now open the config.lua. So this is the configuration of the script. So the target system for the interaction is going to be true. If you have any custom target resource, then you just need to give the name over here. So I'll be keeping it default for now. This is a command to create a safe in any location. So I'll be keeping it default for now. And over here, this is a prop and some configuration for the safe. Now we have to install the dependency of the script, which is utility lib. For that, just click over here. Then click on code and download the script. Now extract the file into your resource folder. Just like this. Now rename the file and remove the main from the name. So that's it for the installation part. Now let's start the server. So we are in a server now. Now let's suppose we want to create a safe locker in this house. So first of all, let's get inside the house. Now let's go to the location where we want to create the safe. So let's create a safe in this location. Now to create a safe, we have to type the command which is /MXC create safe. So first, let's rotate the safe. Let's snap it to the ground. If you want to change the model of the safe, you just to use your arrow button. Just like this. So let's use this model of the safe. You can use up and down arrows to access other options. So I'll be keeping the safe in this location just like this. After that, click on confirm to confirm the location and the model. Just like this, as you can see. Now let's go to the safe and use your target eye on the safe to set the code. Now let's set the code for the safe. Use your scroll up and scroll down to change the numbers. After selecting the number, you just need to click on left mouse button to confirm the number. Just like this. Now interact the safe with your target eye. If you want to change the safe's code, you just need to click over here. So let's lock the safe. Now if you want to open it again, you just need to type the safe's code. Just like this, you can open the safe again. So yes guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos related to FiveM development. Goodbye.